Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, changes were made in the celebration of the Feast of the Black Nazarene. Such changes include bringing the replica of the Black Nazarene to different parishes in the Archdiocese of Manila and other neighboring dioceses. Today was the last day of the religious image at the San Isidro Parish in Las Piñas City. This report.
Devoted Catholics from Las Piñas City became emotional on the last day of the Black Nazarene in the city. Just like 73-year-old Teresita, who wasn't able to hold her tears from falling after seeing the replica.
Ang gaan, parang nawala lahat sa dami ng nagdaan na problema. Nakaka-survive, pati pamilya ko.
This is a historical event for them because for the first time, the Black Nazarene paid them a visit in their city.
Galak na galak po sila sa pagdating ng ating poong Nazareno at ganun naman din po ang kaparian ng Quiapo Church dahil po instead na pumunta po sila sa January 9 is minabuti ng mga kaparian ng Quiapo na dalin ang Nazareno sa tao.
Before the image of the Black Nazarene came to Las Piñas City, it traveled first from Antipolo, Batangas, Laguna, and Cavite. This is a separate image who was chosen to roam in southern Luzon. The localized translation is one of the highlights of the Feast of Black Nazarene this year. Meanwhile, the local government is thankful for the successful localized translation and also for the discipline the devotees have shown.
Ang kapulisan natin ay malaki ding naitulong. So far, in general, napaganda po. Salamat tayo na sa itaas.
As of now, the replica of the Black Nazarene is in Santo Niño Parish in Taguig City before heading to its final destination in Baclaran Church on January 9. Luisa Erispe for The Nation.